Here we are coming to the freight elevator, a big size, unique freight elevator at McCone Hall at UCB, Berkeley, California. Look at this door, y'all. This is really interesting. Here it is. Look at this, y'all. Wow. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, this is something else. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Did they just cover the COP? Oh, no, they didn't. Oh, okay. Oh, it's CJ Anderson fixtures. Nice. Let's go on the G. Oh, would you look at that? The gate is at the bottom, too. Wow. Look how slow that door is. Before we go, what kind of elevator is this? I don't see the name. I don't see the brand name anywhere. Okay, well, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take a ride. Wow. There's literally no ceiling on here. This is something, y'all. Wow. This is absolutely something, y'all. Now I'm gonna have to hold the door stop button. All right, well. Oh, okay. Don't get to see that. Sorry, I'm just trying to find where here's the close button. See, look at this. I never seen a freight elevator with a gate that goes downward. This is interesting. All right, here we listen to this motor. Here we go. Make sure I don't ring the alarm by accident. I really need to get a good view of the doors opening. Look at this, y'all. See, look how slow it takes for that outside door to come up. That is so slow. let's open it up. Just look at that outside door. Look at that. Are you guys ready to hear this motor? And 3, 2, 1. That was an amazing sounding motor. Got to be one of my favorite elevators here at UC Berkeley. This has got to be the biggest elevator here on this campus. You saw what I just did right there? I had to give that outside door a forceful lift to get it to close. Because you saw how that outside door was struggling to shut. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And that is going to be it.